Hello students, myself Rajendra Kumar, I belong to Agra. Today I will tell you about LCM and SCM. LCM means lowest common multiple as per as its name. Full form of its lowest common multiple, otherwise you can say least common multiple. Otherwise you can say smallest common multiple. By this name, we can understand how to get LCM of given numbers. LCM of two or more than two numbers is lowest common multiple of given numbers. As example, find the LCM of 2 and 4. Two multiples, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12 and so on. 4 multiples are 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16 and so on. Here we have to understand which one is lowest and which one is common and which one is multiple. All are multiples, understood it? And 2 in this, but in this not. This 4 is in this 4 is in this. It means this 4 and this 4 both are common. And before it any multiple is common? Nothing. It means exact LCM is 4. Like this type, SCF, highest common factor. Find SCF of 2 and 4. Two factors are 1 and 2. Factor means factor means factor of a number will be divided to that number completely without any remainder. Here two factors are 1 and 2. 2 can divide by 1 and 2 both, and 4 factors are 1, 2 and 4. It means this 4 can be divided by 1 and 2 and 4. All three numbers will divide to 4 completely, exactly, without any remainder. Now SCF is highest common factor. So which one is highest in this? In this 2 is highest. 2 is in this, 2 is in this. And it is highest also, and it is common also, and this 2 is factor of both. Exact SCF is 2 over. Next, LCM will be divided completely by given numbers. Means this LCM is 4 will be divided by 2 and 4 completely. 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4. It is very important about LCM. And one thing is important about SCF. SCF will divide two given numbers. Means SCF is 2 and it will divide to 2 and 4 completely. This is a major difference between LCM and SCF. SCF will divide two given numbers and LCM will be divided by given numbers. LCM will be divided by given numbers and SCF will divide two given numbers. If you will understand this difference between SCF and LCM, then you can understand very well about LCM and SCF. Another method also we know to get the LCM of given numbers. Like find LCM of 2, 4, 10. Another method to find out LCM of given numbers, it is called division method. We write given numbers in this form, then we divide to all numbers by one number. Choose the smallest number by which we can divide to all in one time, most possible. Like 2 can divide to all, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Now 2 can divide to 2, 2 1 is 2, but 2 cannot divide to 5. When we cannot divide by 2 to all numbers, then we divide to 1, and that number is not divisible completely, we will write it as it is. We will not divide it. As it means as 5 we write 5 because it is not divisible by 2. Next, 5 can be divided by 5 only. So we divide by 5. 1, 1, 1. We have to get this condition for every LCM of given numbers by this method. Now, these divisor by which we are dividing to these numbers, we multiply all, then we get the LCM of given numbers. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. It is the exact answer. One another method to get the SCF also, it is called also division method. We divide by smallest number to greater number. Like 2 is smallest number over here, we divide by 2 to 4. 4 is greater than this. 2 to the 4. Nothing. It means 2 is SCF of 2 and 4. Divisor is answer. We have to find out the SCF of 2, 4 and 10. So then by this divisor, it means by this SCF of 2 and 4, we divide to 10 again. 2 divide to 10. 2 5s are 10. It means 2 can divide to 10 also. Then 2 is SCF of 2, 4, 10. Now check. This 2 can divide to all numbers or not? 2 1 2, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10. It means it is right answer. And in this, LCM will be divided by given numbers or not? Check. 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, and 10 2s are 20. It means this LCM is divisible by all given numbers completely, and this SCF is dividing to all numbers completely. Next example of SCF. Find SCF of 4, 11 and 18. I have told you we have to divide by smallest number first of all to greater number. 4 is smallest over here. We divide to 11. 4 divide to 11. How many times? 4 to the 8. Then 3 is remainder. Then we divide 4. It means divisor by the remainder. Remainder will divide to divisor again. 3 1 ja 3. 1 is remainder. Then 1 divide to that divisor. 3. 1 3 ja 3. It means 1 is SCF of 4 and 11. Next. By that SCF, 1 we divide to 18. 1 18 ja 18. It means 1 is SCF of 4, 11, 18. Like this type you can understand about SCF very well. Now I am giving to you exercise number 3. Video number 6. If you will write on YouTube brilliant online classes for entrance examination of military/Sainik school for class 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th -6, then you will find out this exercise over there. Exercise number is 3. Question number 1. Find LCM of 5, 10, 7 and 15, 4, 15 and 24, and 12, 18, 21. Next question number 2. Find SCF of 3, 9, 6, 10, 15, and 14, 20, 25. Solve this exercise, student, and send on my WhatsApp number it is given in description box, and connect to me, watch my videos, understand things. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.